In this video we're going to show you how to add a new client. So now we've got we're in the dashboard here, so once you've logged in it'll take you to the dashboard, and adding a new client, of course we have the new client widget here, or you can simply go over here to add new client where it says client. So let's just click on there and it will take us to the add new client screen, and it's that simple. Actually, you just fill in all the information that you need to fill in, and that will obviously then all the information will be added in there. So then you just click on add client here, and it will add the new client for you. Now here you see that there are little buttons over here. You have to get permission from the client, obviously, to send an email, and you also have to get permission to send an SMS message from them. So once you have their permission, you can go ahead and you click on these buttons here, and that will tell you that they will be available to be sending the messages to. Now the client will receive an email stating that they have been added to your database, and they will have the option then to either accept the send the email or SMS. They will be able to opt in or out of each one of those. So pretty well, that's as simple as it gets for adding. So let's just go ahead and add one here. John Smith, of course he's male, and phone number 555-5555, cell number. Now these are mandatory fields, as you can see in here, because we needed to do that in our systems. Because it is an SMS messaging system and an email system, we've made these four entries mandatory for the client to send in, otherwise they won't be able to sign in. So for a cell phone number, we're going to just do right here, and then for an email address we will just use John Doe at gmail.com. Okay, and of course now if you want to fill in all this other information, you certainly can. So let's just go ahead and fill it in, Yukon here, and that's it. Add a client. There you go, and client has been successfully added. So that's pretty well it for the adding client. Now there is another way also to if you have a list of clients and you want to import mass import your clients, you certainly can do that. Now, so you can go into clients here and do the bulk import. You just click on that. Now there is a certain way that you have to import your clients, and it is through a CSV file, which is a comma file type, and there's an explanation here for you, but it does have to be in the particular order that we have here, and it has to be in first name, last name, then the email address, then the cell phone number, then the gender, address, city, province, postal code, country, birthday, and birth month. And we will show you an example of how it's supposed to look when you have it in your CSV file, and this is sort of how it should look when you are importing it from either a computer that you have already or from any program that you are currently using as a a client manager that you have. And so that's pretty. So when you have that, you just copy your CSV file, and you click on copy it, of course, and then you just input it right into here, and you right click and paste it into here, and it will bring in and then import clients, and that's it, and it will import your whole list of clients that you have. Now if there's any problems, you will, like it says down here, you will be able to check on to see what's going on in the added on the next page, just to make sure that you're adding them in properly. So that's pretty well it for the adding clients and importing. And of course you can always go in and you know, if you want to have a look at all your clients, you certainly can. You can edit any information on them as you want. So we're going to sometimes you have to refresh the program. Here we go. So you can edit John Doe if there's anything missing. If you have the wrong cell phone number or the home phone number or whatever, you can certainly go in there. And if John Doe does decide that he doesn't want to be in the system anymore, you can go ahead and delete it. Now you will know when they've opted out if their emails or their phone numbers are red. It will show that they have been opted out. So we're going to go ahead and delete, just to show you how that works. The action is not reversible. Are you sure you want to continue? Maybe we'll just leave them in our system and we'll just go from that. And that's pretty well it for adding new clients and for bulk import.